Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you complete WeChat Pay setup and how you can use the WeChat Pay to shop and link your bank card on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure on Lincoln 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet or your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat wallet or WeChat Pay, Taobao, or any Chinese e-commerce apps or website. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you link your bank card with your WeChat wallet. How do you do that? I will walk you through step-by-step guide. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat app, next thing you need to do is to click on me right here. Then go ahead and click on Pay and Services. Then go ahead and click on Wallet. Then go ahead and click on Bank Cards. Here we go. Now I have already linked my bank card right here. However, you can link as many as possible bank card in this section right here. If you want to add your home bank card, simply click on Add a Bank Card. Once you click on Add a Bank Card, then you'll be asked to provide the bank card information. Enter the bank card, the card number. Once you enter the card number, click on Agree and bind the card. Once you bind the card, you can use the card to shop on Taobao, selecting your WeChat wallet in Taobao checkout. How do we do that? Let's go ahead and open up my Taobao. So I will simply go ahead and open up my Taobao right here. So after you open up your Taobao, there are so many ways by which you can use to source for product from different manufacturers on Taobao right here. So once you're able to source for products, next thing you need to do is to add a product to cart. Just for me to go straight to the point of this particular tutorial, I have already had a product to cart that I want to use for this particular tutorial. I will go ahead and open up my cart right here. And here we go. So scroll down right here. I'm going to select the product right here. So I'm using this particular product right here. Select on the product. Having select on the product, click on here to proceed to checkout. Then here we go. Scroll down right here and you have your WeChat Pay section right here. Select on WeChat Pay. Once you select on WeChat Pay, you are paying the sum of 5.13 yen. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Allow the WeChat Pay to connect. So just like what you see right here. So you can see my bank card right here. However, if you are linking your bank card for the first time, you will be asked to link your bank card right here. What you need to do is to enter your bank card detail. Once you enter your bank card detail, you are going to see your card information right here. Just like what you see right here. So next thing we want to do here is to enter my payment password to complete this particular order right here on Taobao. I will go ahead and enter my payment password and the payment will be successful. Let's check it out. Just like what you see right here, WeChat Pay is trying to debit me. Just like so, you can see paid 5.30 yen from WeChat. So payment successful. Next thing we want to do is to click on back to vendor. Just like so. Then I have a debit alert from my bank issuer card right here. Just like what you see right here. Web purchase, you can see bank transactions detail right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to exit from here, click on here to go back to my profile, and the product will no longer be here because we have successfully paid for this product right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go to my profile, then refresh my profile, and the product is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Just like so, it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.